Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Novi Nurrohma, a full-time children's book illustrator based in Surabaya, Indonesia. I live here with my husband and also our little boy. I've been illustrating children's book for several years now. So on this YouTube channel, I will share all about illustrating children's book and also my journey as a professional children's book illustrator. So make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you can stay updated with new videos about my journey as a professional children's book illustrator. And if you have any suggestion for future videos or any questions, let me know by dropping a comment below. So stick around and let's grow together as a professional children's book illustrator. So today I'm gonna take you on my journey to becoming a children's book illustrator and share the key steps you need to get started, what to expect along the way, and some cool tips for showcasing your work. I really hope my story inspires and help anyone out there thinking about diving into the world of children's book illustrations. Before you jump into the children's book publishing, especially as an illustrator, it's super important to really understand what children's book illustration is all about. So, what exactly is a children's book illustrator? We are the artists who create illustrations that bring the stories in kids' book to life. These illustrations are super important because they help children connect with the story, ignite their imaginations, and make learning an adventure. In the kids' book industry, illustrators collaborate closely with writers and the entire team to create visuals that enhance the message, characters, and emotions of the story. Our role is really key in crafting a visual experience that's engaging and inspiring for young readers. Great illustrations should build an emotional connection with the audience while adding depth to the story being told through the text. The characters and the world in the story should feel relatable and inviting, like friends they can relate to. Typically, children's book illustrations are cheerful, captivating, and easy to grasp. There are some popular styles used like a fun, simple, and bright approach for younger kids, usually toddlers to elementary school. This style often features vibrant colors and straightforward characters that are easy to understand. For older kids like those in middle and high school, you might see a more detailed and realistic style. This approach gets a bit closer to reality but still includes those fantasy elements that spark curiosity and imagination. I believe it's really important for each illustrator to find a style that reflects their personality while also adapting to the story they're working on. Every story has its own unique vibe and emotions, and it's our job as children's book illustrator to capture that in our art. Okay, let's dive into the skills you really need to success as a children's book illustrator. It's not just about being a great drawer. There are four key skills that will help you stand out. First, character design. Kids love characters they can remember. Focus on creating fun and unique characters. Try drawing them in different poses and expressions to show their personality. The more relatable and cool your characters are, the more kids will want to read about them. 2. Visual storytelling. Your pictures should help tell the story. Think about how your illustrations can add to the narrative. Pay attention to how you lay out the pages and how each picture connects with the next. You want to create excitement and flow so that kids stay interested in the story. 3. Imagination and creativity. Children's books are all about fun and magic, so having a wild imagination is super important. The more creative your ideas are, the more awesome your illustrations will be. Don't be afraid to think outside the box. Mix real life with fantasy to make your stories even more exciting. For technical skills, whether you are drawing by hand or using digital tools, knowing your stuff is key. For digital artists like me, I use Adobe Photoshop for drawing and Adobe InDesign for layouts. Getting the hang of these programs can really up your game. And if you are still learning, no worries, it takes time to get comfortable with everything. So just keep practicing. Just remember everyone starts somewhere. Don't stress if you are not perfect yet. Keep exploring, keep learning, and most importantly, enjoy the process. Alright, now let's talk about something super important, building your portfolio. Your portfolio is like your visual resume. It showcases your skills, style, and the types of illustrations you can create. Here's how to make a portfolio that stands out. 1. Showcasing your best work. And 2. Create a consistent style. 3. Include different types of work. 4. Tailor your portfolio for your audience. And the last one, make it easy to navigate. Don't forget to update your portfolio regularly. As you grow and develop your style, you will want to showcase your latest and greatest work. Keeping it fresh shows potential clients that you are active and evolving as an artist. And lastly, don't be shy. Share your portfolio on social media and get feedback from friends or fellow artists. Networking is super important in this industry, and sharing your artwork can open doors to new opportunities. Okay, so you've got your portfolio ready. What's next? Let's talk about how actually find a work and build your network as a children's book illustrator. It's not just about talent, it's also about putting yourself out there and connecting with the right people. One thing to remember is that finding work in this industry can take time, but don't give up. 1. Freelance platforms. Websites like LinkedIn and Behance can help you connect with authors looking for illustrators. Make sure your profile looks professional and includes a strong portfolio. 2. Social media presence. Having a strong social media presence is super important. Platforms like Instagram and Behance and LinkedIn are fantastic for showcasing your work and connecting with other illustrators, authors, and even publishers. Use relevant hashtags, follow industry people, and engage with the community. Sometimes jobs find you through these platforms. 3. Reach out to publishers. If you have your eye on specific publishers or authors, don't hesitate to reach out directly. Many publishing houses accept submissions or are always one on the lookout for fresh talent. Just make sure your portfolio is ready and tailor your pitch to their needs. 4. Networking in the industry. Attend events, join illustrator groups, and participate in online communities. Things like book fairs, conventions, or even local workshops are amazing opportunities to meet people in the industry. Plus, connecting with other illustrators is a great way to learn and grow. Networking might feel intimidating at first, but it's one of the most valuable tools for finding work. Many opportunities come from word of mouth or recommendations, so build those relationships and stay active in the community. 5. Patience and persistence. Remember, finding work takes time, especially in a competitive industry like children's book illustrations. Don't get discouraged if it doesn't happen overnight. Keep improving your skills, keep sharing your work, and eventually, the right opportunities will come your way. Stay consistent, keep learning, and don't be afraid to put yourself out there. The more effort you put into building your network and finding the right opportunities, the more rewarding your journey will be. When I first started as a children's book illustrator, it took quite a while to build my portfolio and connect with the right people. I know it can feel too at the beginning, but I kept sharing my work on. One of things that really helped me was being active on social media and collaborating with writers. That way more people were able to see my illustrations. Every time I work on a new project, I always try to improve my visual storytelling skills. It was not just about creating beautiful image, but about making sure the illustrations truly enhance the story. Here are a few tips from me that might help you. First, be open to feedback. Second, keep learning and trust your own style. Okay, in this video, we have covered the essentials of becoming a children's book illustrator, from understanding what children's book illustration is, the key skill you need, how to build your portfolio, and even how to find work and network in the industry. I've also shared my personal experience and tips for success, including staying open to feedback, continuously learning, and trusting your unique style. Thanks so much for watching. I hope this video can give you some valuable insight and inspiration to start your own journey as a children's book illustrator. If you have any question or ideas for future videos, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe, and I cannot wait to see you in the next video. Bye bye.